Well, we might as well just do this, right? You probably already are tired, but mystery bag for FabFitFun. Okay? Mystery bag is $39. So you'll really have to tell me if this is worth it or not. Let's just jump right in. Who has time? Not me. For this bag. This is crazy pants. Okay, first thing, I don't even know what this is. Blush pink. We make it easy to carry and take your pills. Portable, weekly, 7-day pill case. This is really cute, but like it's very luxe looking. It's soft. I mean, okay. And a mirror. Like some palettes don't even come with a mirror. Imagine that. Ooh, that's kind of cute and different. So it's a mystery box, right? Mystery bundle. You get it? It's a mystery. All right, these thingamajigs, the hair things, they call them hair rings. They don't work for me, so whatever. Everything cream, the brand for all humans. That's cool. Cool. It doesn't even have like a picture or anything, but it's got everything. Orange peel oil, holy basil, mushroom extract, avocado oil, dandelion root, sunflower seed. I swear you could probably eat this if you wanted to. It's made for all, okay? It's got a lot of dust. You see that dust? Okay. Minimal packaging, I'll say that. Non-gender specific, everything cream. You can use it for hydration, radiance, wrinkles, pore size, barrier protection. Let's see what you're looking like. Oh, you know what? It doesn't have a scent. I'm not mad. Not. Who knows? It could cure a lot of things. And our last item, so we got 4 things. What the hell is this? Cloud Nola. Oh, a factory blush alarm clock. That's what happens when you get a mystery box, I'm telling you. It's cute, super duper cute. Super duper cute. Who knows? I'll probably put it in a giveaway. I mean, this is just adorable. Like, actually, you know what? It's really good for like decor. So, okay. I mean, I didn't get anything that I was like, wow, totally worth it. No. $39, maybe pushing it. But what do you guys think? Worth it? Not worth it? Do it again? Not do it again? I'm gonna let you go. I gotta go. You gotta go. Love having you here. But I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, guys.